Tanya Rowling, helping you to solve Maths, CBSE Class 10 NCERT syllabus, and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths NCERT syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video. Okay guys, now let's read the question. So the question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So this is the second question. So in this second question, we are going to be solving the first subdivision, that is 26 and 91. Okay guys, for solving this, first we have to do the prime factors. So as you guys know how to do prime factors, for that we usually use prime numbers. I hope you guys learned what are prime numbers. Let me just recall it. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. So these are prime numbers. Okay, now let's do its factorization. So I am writing 26 right over here and we have to find 91 also. That's why I am writing 91 here. So first let's find for 26. So here you guys can see the last number is 6. So it goes under 2 table. So I can write 2 right over here. And as you guys know, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. And 6 in 2 table we get 6 when it is 3 2s are 6. Okay. So we shall write 3 here because 3 2s are it is 6. Okay. Now let's solve this. Here it is 13. So as you guys know, 13 is a prime number. So we can write 13 right over here. 113 is 13. So finally we got 1. So we shall stop it right over here. And here when you see, here it is 91. So here the last number is not 6, it's not 4 or it is not 8. So we can't do it in 2 table. And when you add up the numbers, that is 9 plus 1, it is 10. So in 3 table we won't get 10, we can't do it in that also. So in 5 table when you check it out, we will not get it in the 5 table, because if the last digit is 5, we can do it in the 5th table, but we can't do this. Then after 5 the prime number is 7. So we shall check it out with 7 table. So I am writing 7 right over here. So here it is 9, we don't have 9 in this table. So we shall write the smallest number compared to 9. So the smallest number compared to 9 is, of course, it is 7. So we shall write 1 here because 1 7 is 7. Totally we are having 9 numbers like this. So in these 9 numbers we shall just subtract it. So we shall close the 7 numbers because 1 7 is 7 and totally 2 numbers are left out, that is 2. So balance 2. Okay, 1 7 is 7. Let me just repeat it. 1 7 is 7. Balance we got 2 because here it was 9. So when we write 2 and 1, it is 21. In 7 table, 7 3s are, it is 21. So we shall write 3 here because 7 3s are, it is 21. And then we shall solve this also. So here it is 13. 13 is a prime number, so we shall write 13 here because 1 3 is 13. 113 is 13. Okay, now let's write 26 is equal to 2 into 13. So only 2 numbers. And then we shall write 91 is equal to 7 into 13. I wrote these 2 numbers right over here. Okay, now let's find its HCF and LCM. So as you guys know, we got 26 is equal to 2 into 13 and 91 is equal to 7 into 13. Okay. So in these numbers, we are going to be finding its HCF and the LCM. So how do we find the HCF? So in this both numbers, what we are going to take is, we are going to take the common number. So here you guys can see we have 2 into 13. In 91 we have 7 into 13. So in this both 13 is common, am I right? we have 13 here also we have 13. So we are going to be taking the common number as its HCF. So the common number is 13. So we shall take 13. And the next one is LCM. How do we find the LCM? So we shall write 2 into 7 into 13. So you guys might have a doubt, that is, why aren't we taking one more 31? That's because we have 2 13, right? So if we have 2 13, we can take only one 13. No need to take both the 13. Why? Because both are common, right? Both are similar. Then don't need to take the similar numbers twice, right? We can take it only in once. So I wrote it 2 into 7 into 13, only 1 13. Don't get confused in this, okay? Okay, now we shall multiply it. So LCM is equal to, so when you multiply these numbers, we get an answer, that is 182. Okay. So when we multiply these numbers, we got 182. So as per the question, we have to find HCF into LCM. Let me just show you that. So here you guys can see, after finding it, verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So here we got the LCM, we got the HCF as well. But here, what is the product of two numbers? So we are going to be taking 26 and 91 as the product of two numbers, which is in the question. I am taking those numbers, that is 26 and 91. Okay. So now what I am going to write is HCF into LCM, then product of two numbers. Two numbers. Okay, product of two numbers. So this is for your understanding. If you guys want, you can write it like this: HCF into LCM. Instead of writing product of two numbers, you can write A into B. You can take it as a variable, okay? So for your understanding, I wrote product of two numbers because in the question it was written product of two numbers, okay? So what is the HCF and the LCM? So here the HCF is 13. So we shall write 13 into, what is the LCM? So here the LCM is 182. So I am writing 182 is equal to, so here you guys might have a doubt, what is A and B? We don't have any value for A and B. So as I told you in the question, they mentioned product of two numbers. So we take the question, that is in third subdivision, the question is 26 and 91. Am I right? So we are going to be taking the 26 and 91. That is the question. So 26 into 91. So we took the question. So when we multiply these numbers, we get an answer, that is 2366 is equal to, when we multiply this as well, we get 2366, which is exactly similar, okay? So in this type of question, most probably we get the similar value for the answer, okay? So when we get the similar value only, we proved that, we verified that we found the answer. So now what we shall write is, we shall write thus verified, because we should verify it right. So we verified it, that is HCF into LCM. After doing it, we solved it and then we proved it. So we can write thus verified. So this is the answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and help your friends by sharing this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. See ya.